Checking out. Checking out, you guys. Going to the honeycomb hideout. I feel so free without that wig on, you guys. Whew. And I hadn't really been wearing them like that either. So yeah. Here they go with this bridge shit, you guys.
No, that's not a bridge. That's the side of a bridge. The awning on the side. Look. She thinks we're going.
I was talking about this one over here.
Look over there. She thinks we're going up this thing.
No, this is where they walk.
Yeah.
But I was talking about that one over there. Brother,
you see them?
did not leave pictures without going to the Waffle House. They're in Waffle House. Mustard roll down. Hello. In the Waffle House, why are you this rowdy like this? Oh, that's why. In the Waffle House. In the Waffle House. Yeah.
Yes,
Wait, what?
Some breakfast.
Yep. That little Tory Lee. I want the.
Everybody got one.
Go on, shit, I'm about to get mine set up.
So now you see we got my daddy's house.
As long as you up, you know I got it.
This is the famous Fuel City wash. My sister-in-law told me it's famous. I'm famous for Dallas. So we're gonna get some corn. Let's see what it's hitting for. What you getting, in a cup or on the? In a cup. Okay. What you getting on yours? I get everything. Okay. Yeah, whatever, however you get it. Let me do a small and a medium. Everything, and then on the medium one, can you put a little bit more juice? That jugo.
어지럽기만 해 이 많은 손들에 그렇게 오는 거야 너의 시선은 깜빡이는 눈이 내게 입맞춘대 언제 그랬냐는데 내 앞에 다가와 Oh 틱톡 틱톡 눈을 굴려보내 힐끔힐끔 또 쳐다보네 볼 듯 안 보일 듯 독한을 보내 날 담기엔 이 밤이 너무 짧겠지 아슬아슬해 보여 이거는 흔들 때 숨막히는 chemistry 이건 게임이 아니야 너도 알잖아 그렇고 그렇다 그다음 늘 feel
Remember her friend name. I don't remember your fucking friend name. I just remember her. Who?
And they got DJ right here.
So good.
On Saturdays, Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays. You guys, we at the place where you can drive up and get a margarita.
Without getting out.
Without getting out. They're going to have it taped all up and shit, but I know how to get it in.
Strawberry banana.
You can have it hit it off. Closed up. And if you get pulled over and this is not open, you get a ticket. Okay, guys, somehow we ended up at the beauty supply, and I know how. My sister-in-law said she's been wanting to get box braids forever, and she's never had them before. So I told her I would do them. We stopped at a beauty supply before we got to the honeycomb hideout, and we're looking for hair. She didn't know what color she wanted, so we ended up getting the color hair that she had in her head. Not that she had in her head, the color hair that she had, that her hair is. Stayed in there for a hot minute, got the stuff that we needed, and then left out. So yeah, I ended up doing box braids on my sister-in-law on my vacation, but it was cool. It didn't take long. She got the medium-sized ones, and she loved them. I'll insert pictures. You guys, we came to Fiesta store. We tired of eat out food, so we making some oxtails, some greens, macaroni and cheese, candy yam, cornbread, and I'm making some breakfast, some pancakes with the crispy edges, eggs, and turkey bacon because we just dipped it. Shut up. Shut up. Just shut up. Shut up. Look at him, y'all. Look at him.
Fuck up.
Please. Shut to the up. Shut to the up.
That's what I was telling you. No loud
I had to get it in before I left Texas. Felt like
really
cooking.
don't do none of that.
So
Me
here
and
we go.
Julio have a problem with going in the room and we
We got
talk.
the yams, the oxtails, the macaroni and cheese,
No,
and the
yeah, we get
greens.
loud with each other.
Collards
We just
mixed
don't
with
yell.
mustards, and they boom.
I don't know.
Look, you guys, on the way to the airport, and it is raining. What are the odds of my plane being delayed? Because out here in Texas, it'll be raining for a while.
If it's canceled, we're happy. We're gonna hang around for a little while just in case it is canceled.
I really didn't want to come home today anyway, but I don't want to pay the extra fee. But if it's canceled and it's on them, they got to give me another ticket for free. So yeah, this is what it is right now. Hopefully, it don't even matter to me either way. If I get home, I get home. If I don't get home, and I gotta stay another day, that's cool too. Because them sheets on that bed smell good.
Certainly want to thank you so much for choosing us here at Southwest Airlines. We know you have many choices when you travel, so we thank you so very much. Please come back and see us again soon.
decided to do a photo dump. This is the birthday boy's cake. The reason why I was out there. Me and my little brother, 40 years old. Dink K. Me and my little sister, Asian A. Decided to support my little brother Tori's hat. Me standing out the Hilton. Anatole. Some bridges and stuff in Dallas. That was a nice hotel, you guys. I really did like it. I was bent. Me and my siblings.